Okay, now let's see how to negate this problem of paper jam. Now you can see the paper tray is not being detected, and what is happening is if I just give this is the paper tray. If I just give it a nudge little upwards, you can see the error going off. Like I'll just go ahead 1, 2, and 3. I have just given it a nudge top, and it goes. The error has now gone off, but as of now I am still lifting the tray with my finger. I just take my finger off from the tray, and there you see again it talks of paper tray not being detected. So what happens is when the paper is printing, if this error happens when it has printed the first page, obviously during the second print, that is in the duplex print, it gets jammed and it gives the error of front paper jam. Now the problem what I have been trying to explain to the technicians and now to you is probably if you see this portion, that is the portion where the paper tray is kind of this portion. This is the portion where it goes and gets fixed into the machine, this particular part. So a place where this particular part goes and engages with the machine inside. I don't know if I can show you the part inside, but this is the flap, first flap, and if you, I can't see it properly. Yeah, this particular part is where it goes and engages. It rather pushes it up like this, and this is the place where it engages it with the paper tray. And I always felt that this particular part has a miss of about 5 which makes it to lose its contact, and therefore it is giving this problem. And just to prove that point, I'll now push up this paper tray, and you can see the jam being removed. I'm just giving it a nudge, and there you see it is gone. So this is what I have been referring to. I might not be a technical expert, but please do look into this particular aspect. Thank you.